is it? Where is it? Hey!
No, there's another reason for this. Respawn!
Yeah, I got the body just out here.
Oh!
Yeah, I think he's respawned. I didn't know he had extra lives. Jesus Christ. No. He's probably out there chilling. I don't know, he's this nuts guy. He tried to steal something. No, I need reinforcements here right away. Okay, see you later. Oh, Jesus!
Hey! Damn. Damn it. Oh crap!
Get up!
You're making a mistake. I'm not the crazy guy you know.
The game's over.
No.
Sorry, man.
No.